Hey guys, Brittany here with Tech Tip Tuesday, and today I'm going to show you how to use some of the more advanced clipboard features on your Android device. So it used to be if you copied something and then you copied something else on a computer, the first item you copied disappeared. But that doesn't have to be the case anymore on your Windows PC or on your Android device. So I'm going to show you how to copy multiple items and then choose what you want to paste. So I'm going to start by copying something. I'm going to press and hold, and you'll notice a menu pops up that gives you a couple of different options here. I'm going to hit copy, and then above your keyboard you'll notice a little clipboard icon. Tap that, and if you haven't already turned this on, it'll give you the option to turn on clipboard. So I want to do that, and when I do that, anything that I copy is going to go right into that clipboard. So you can see right here that the text that I copied is saved. So now I'm going to copy something else, do the same thing. I'm going to tap this little arrow to pull up my menu, tap my clipboard, and you'll notice both items that I copied are saved there. What's nice about this is when you press and hold on an item that you've copied, it gives you a couple of different options. You can pin it, so if it's something that you send often, you have it there and you can paste it quickly just by going to your clipboard. Right? But you can also tap your other text that you copied and paste that just as easily. If you are done with something, you can unpin it, or if you're really done with something, you can delete it. It's just a really handy feature to have, especially if you end up sending the same message to multiple people, or you've got messages you frequently send to somebody. It's just a nice little time-saving device. Thanks for watching today, and if you enjoyed this tech tip, please share it. Check out our YouTube channel and our blog. Make sure you're subscribed and give us a like. Thanks.